Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you how to start driving this car. In the beginning, sit in the car and fasten your seatbelts. This is the most important safety thing. Now, take a look at the driver's doors and adjust side mirror position. The best position is when the driver door handle is located in the bottom right corner. Once it's done, adjust rearview mirror and steering wheel position and your seat. Now, while holding brake, press this button to release parking brake. Press button, engine start stop, also while holding brake. And now, to start driving, take a look behind the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Twist top part of the lever like this upwards to select drive. To select reverse, twist it downwards. To select park, press button located on the top of the lever. And that's basically it. To activate parking brake, pull this lever. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.